Okay, in this video we're going to do another theorem called the Base Angles Theorem, which is another way of proving, another theorem you can use in proving that triangles are congruent. Now this Base Angles Theorem says this. If you have a triangle, let's say triangle ABC, and two sides of this triangle are congruent. Now how do I know that two sides are congruent here? It's because of these little slash marks, right? Without them I wouldn't know that they were congruent. But if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite them are also congruent. Okay, so I can write it out this way. So if line segment AB is congruent to line segment AC, then angle ABC will be congruent to angle ACB. Okay? So again, if I have two sides that are congruent, then the angles opposite them are also congruent. Now there's also a converse here, okay? And basically, remember what a converse is, that you basically flip the statements. So instead of up here, you would say, so if the angles are congruent, then the sides would be congruent. So you're just doing the exact opposite here. So let's look. If two angles in a triangle are congruent, then the sides opposite them are congruent. Now, what are the two angles here that are congruent? Well, again, because of these little marks, I know that angle, and by the way, I should go back up here. This is a given, right? It's given because of those slash marks. In the same way down here, so if angle ABC, angle ABC is congruent to angle ACB, again, that's a given, then side or line segment AB is congruent to line segment AC or side AC. So then line segment AB would be congruent to line segment AC. Okay, so it's just another way of actually proving that triangles can be congruent by knowing some information about their angles. Now, quick question for you. What type of triangle would have two equal sides? So what type of triangle would have two equal or congruent sides? And if you said isosceles or equilateral, you would be correct. Okay, so I hope that was helpful.